Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the .NET Framework installation error HRESULT 0xc8000222. Now, this first method to resolve this issue is to stop couple of services. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type services.msc and click on OK. This should open the services window. Now here, you're going to stop some Windows Update related services. To do this, you will have to go ahead and look for Windows Update services. It would be in alphabetical order. So if you scroll down on the same window, you will see a service called Windows Update. Select the Windows Update and do a right click and then click on Properties. From the startup type, you may go ahead and choose the startup type as Disable, then click on Stop and then click on Apply and then click on OK. And the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to stop the background intelligent transfer service. To do this, you will have to select the background intelligent transfer service, do a right click on Properties. From the startup type, choose the Disable option. In case if the stop option is grayed out, you can leave as it is. In case you have an option to click on Stop, click on Apply and then click on OK. Minimize this window. Once you minimize this window, we will have to go ahead and rename the software distribution folder. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type the command %WINDIR%. So here you're trying to open the Windows directory of your software distribution folder. So click on OK. Once you have this location open, you will have to look for software distribution folder. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you find the software distribution folder, you can do a right click on the software distribution and look for rename. In case if you don't see rename option, then you can click on show more option and then click on rename. Rename the software distribution to software distribution OLD1 and hit enter. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may go ahead and click on yes or continue on the screen. Now there might be chances that you may not be able to rename this folder. In that instance, what you could do is you can open the task manager. Once you have the task manager open, in the processes you may go ahead and look for Windows Update services. In case if you find Windows Update, all you need to do is you need to do a right click and then click on end task, close the task manager and then try to rename the folder. You should be able to rename the folder. Once this is done, the next step what you will have to do is you can go ahead and close this window and then go back to the services window. Enable the services which you had disabled earlier. So you can go ahead and enable background intelligent transfer service. Selecting the service and doing a right click on Properties. From the startup type, you may go ahead and choose as automatic. Click on Apply and then click on Start and then click on OK. So with this, you have enabled the background intelligent transfer services. You will see the status as running. Once this is done, you will have to go ahead and enable the Windows Update service. So you will have to look for Windows Update, select Windows Update, do a right click, then click on Properties. From the startup type, you may go ahead and choose the automatic, click on Apply and then you would see an option to click on Start. So click on Start, then click on OK. So with this, you will have the Windows Update and the background intelligent transfer services running on your computer. Now once this is done, the next step what you could do is you could go ahead and go to optional features. Now to do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type optional features in the run window and then click on OK. So this should open the Windows features section. Under this, you will have to go ahead and choose the .NET framework. In case if you have any of these options unchecked, you may go ahead and choose the .NET framework. Make sure they are selected and then click on OK. So with this, what will happen is it will try to go ahead and search or install the optional required .NET framework on your computer. So wait for the Windows features to be installed on the computer. Once this is completed, you will see an option which says Windows need files from Windows Update to finish installing some of the features. You can choose let Windows Update or download the files for you. So this will go ahead and download the .NET files from the internet, from the Microsoft website. Wait for the files to be downloaded. Once the Windows optional features are completely downloaded and installed on the computer, this is the window what you would see on the screen, and you may go ahead and click on close and you might be prompted to restart your computer. For the better results, I would strongly suggest you to go ahead and restart your computer. Once the restart is complete, the next step what you could do is you can go ahead and check for the Windows Update. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. On the settings page, you may go ahead and click on Windows Update and check if there are any available updates installed on the computer. In my case, there are updates available for .NET Framework. In case if you see these updates, you may go ahead and click on install. Wait for the installation is complete, and once the installation is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer. computer. Now once you restart your computer, this should definitely fix the problem. Now in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, here the next step what you could try is you can go ahead and try to run the .NET repair tool on your computer. To run the .NET repair tool, you will have to open the browser. In the browser, you may go to google.com or bing.com. In the search window, you may go ahead and type .NET repair tool and hit enter. This should take you to the Microsoft .NET Framework repair tool. I will also mention this link in the video description. Click on the link, the first link, and while you're doing this, please make sure that you're going to the official Microsoft website, which is microsoft.com, and then download. Do not go to any third-party website. Once you're on the website, you may choose the language and then click on download. Once the download is complete, you may go ahead and double click on the .NET repair tool. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen, and you can go ahead and choose the option which says I have read and accept the license terms, and then click on next. Follow the step-by-step instructions what you're seeing on the screen. Click on next and then click on finish. Once this is completed, the next step what you could do is you can open the browser, go to google.com and try to download the .NET repair tool or download the .NET executable file on your computer. To do this, in the search window you can type download .NET framework. I will also mention this link in the description. Double click on the link, and while you're doing so, please make sure that you're going to official Microsoft website, not to any third-party website. Once you're on this window, you would see these options here. Go ahead and download the latest .NET framework tool which is available. So here you may go ahead and choose download .NET framework. This will go ahead and download the .NET framework. Double click on it, run the executable file, and follow the step-by-step instructions what you are seeing on the screen. So in my case, why I'm getting this error message because .NET framework is been already available in the updates. So in your case, you should be able to go ahead and download the .NET framework on your computer manually. All you need to do is follow the instruction, click on continue. Once the .NET framework installation is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. So this is how you can go ahead and fix the .NET framework installation error. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.